Hello XRP Ripple coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So get ready for the huge pump and the July month. You know what, my friends, today is the 1st July. Oh my goodness, today is the beginning of the July month, so absolutely XRP have to take a pump. But unfortunately, a lot of people message me in this time that what should we do in critical situations. So when I saw the critical situation, so I'm feeling shocked. So my friends, this time I know my friends that the price change occurring in the XRP is negative. The price of XRP in the July is fast down, but my friends, maybe this falls for temporary, my friend. That is a 2-3 hours falls down, and after some passage of time the price will again pump. The price will again pump after some time, my friends. So you have to hold, you have to wait for it, my friends. Now this time, my friends, you can see here the current price of the XRP is 0.6499998 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. And furthermore, you can see the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the XRP. Every update is here, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the XRP. Oh my god, it's absolutely, my friends, very barely changes over in the XRP Ripple coin. You know what, it is time XRP price falls down. So no, that's not mean that you are disappointed, you decide to sell. No, my friends, don't decide to sell. Every coin is falls down, my friends. And you know what, I also know about XRP Ripple coin that this falls is for temporary, my friends. You know what, at the beginning of the July, you can see here, oh my goodness, just look here, my friends. That is the 1st July. You can see here that is the 1st July, and at this time the price of the XRP is in the pumping mood, and after some passage of jump, after 2 hours, after 1 hour, the price of the XRP is again falls down, my friends, and still the price of XRP is falls down. So don't worry about that, my friends. Just get ready for the huge pump of XRP Ripple coin. You know what, I also predicated XRP that in the July XRP will take a huge pump. So the huge pump is coming soon. Get ready for the pump, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.